materials needed in this craft are seashells, glue stick, glue gun, varnish paint, manicure beads, flowers for design, and roller. First, we must wash the dirty seashells with clean water. Put 2 chlorines on it so that it will become white, then stir for a seconds. Leave it for how many minutes, hours or days. It's up to you of how long you take it to soak your shells, and it depends the dirtiness of the shell. So, this is the result of my seashells that I leave it for 24 hours. Make a circle by using seashells that will serve as our base and paste it with glue stick. In the top of it, put another seashells and paste it. The opening part of the shell will face towards you. Unlike on the first part, the opening of the shell face to the bottom. Measure the distance of each side of your circle by using a ruler. Get 6 pieces of seashell and paste it by pair. Each pair put a small leaves on the top of it to make the craft attractive. Paste the 2 paired shells on each side of the circle. Make sure you put a lot of glue stick on it so that it will not get easily destroyed. 9. Create a handle of your bird nest and use ruler to make it as your guide in aligning the shells. It's up to you how long your handle is. Secure your shells with glue stick. Start to paste your handle on the formed circle and the last paired shell. Put and paste it in the center of the handle. Then, start making 2 small birds by using a seashells. Apply a finishing varnish of your craft. Be careful so that it will not be destroyed. Take a minute to dry your varnish. What color you want to apply of your bird and create eyes and mouth on it. Let it dry. Put some designs on the bird nest and paste it with glue stick. Then, put your 2 birds inside of it. Lastly, you can now add some borlaloy on your craft that can make your artwork more presentable and appealing to look.